Listen, we are living in the most unfair moment in the history of the internet because for the first time ever, AI is actually leveling the playing field. You see, you don't need a degree, you don't need a huge audience, and you don't even need experience to actually capitalize on this advantage that's been presented to us. All you need is to know which tools to use and how to use them effectively. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 6 AI tools that can make even total beginners rich. Tools that can automate every aspect of your business if you know how to use them properly. So let's dive in. Imagine this. You want to launch your Shopify store, your agency site, your blog, whatever. You have no design skills, no developer team, and no idea where to start. Well, Web 10 uses AI to build a full-blown WordPress website in minutes. Yes, literally minutes. All you need to do is answer a few questions. You tell it what your business does, what kind of vibe you want, and boom, it generates a professional site, mobile optimized, fast, and SEO ready. And the best part, you can use it to sell web design as a service without touching a single line of code. Like I said, talk about an unfair advantage. One of the most powerful tools that anyone can have in their portfolio in today's day and age is a personal brand. You've seen it in guys like Iman Gaji. He used his personal brand to make over $100 million in just a few years, and he's on track to be a billionaire before he's 30. But I get it. Editing can take forever and seem very daunting, especially as a beginner. Well, that is unless you've got Opus Clip. See, this tool takes your long-form content like podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, and automatically slices them into viral, short clips, complete with captions, jump cuts, and emotional highlights. It's like having a full-time editor working around the clock, except it's free. And what's even crazier, with new platforms like WAP coming out every single day, you can sign up for different creator rewards programs and start making money as soon as tomorrow. Here's the truth. Writing still makes people rich, and now you don't even need to be a copywriting wizard. You can use tools like ChatGPT Writer to write cold emails that don't sound cold, create offers and hooks in a matter of seconds, and turn casual messages into conversions. Tidio's Lyro allows you to close sales and support your customers 24/7. See, Tidio is a customer support chatbot, but Lyro is what makes it powerful. Lyro is essentially an AI assistant that learns your business in a matter of minutes, FAQ style, and it talks to your visitors like a human, answering questions, booking appointments, upselling offers, and even closing sales. So I want you to imagine that someone lands on your website at 3 a.m. ready to buy. Well, Lyro handles it all. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson on your team who never gets tired and knows your offer better than even you do. So if you're running a store, service, or coaching business, this is a no-brainer. You don't just save time, but you actually capture money that you're missing. Have you ever downloaded a 20-page legal document, contract, or client brief and thought, I have no clue what any of this means? Well, this AI changes that completely. See, DocuAsk turns complex documents into simple legal Q&A forms. All you do is upload the file and it lets you ask questions like, what's the cancellation policy? When does this agreement end? What do I need to deliver by Friday? See, this saves you from mistakes and unlocks instant clarity. Beginners waste time overthinking, but pros ask better questions, and DocuAsk lets you do both. Last but not least is CoPilot. Now, I'm sure that everyone has already heard of CoPilot, or at least has some idea of what it does, but the truth is that people aren't using it to the best of its ability. You see, this tool is like your smart second brain, an AI assistant that literally integrates into your business and helps you run everything much smoother. So it can summarize Slack threads, draft reports, analyze customer feedback, and way more. You see, none of this is about automation. In fact, it's actually about augmentation. So if you're juggling content, client work, support, and planning, this tool keeps you sane and scaling. It's like having a project manager, copywriter, and strategist in your back pocket. These AI tools aren't just nice to have. They are the new tools of wealth. And here's the truth that most people don't get. You see, AI isn't going to replace you, but instead the person that's using AI will. The gap is no longer about who has the most skills or money. Instead, it's just about who's adapting fastest. And this is your unfair advantage, so let's use it.